Welcome to this Business Central Sales Order Entry presentation. I'm Ken Sabahar, and I'm going to lead you through this presentation today. So I'm going to begin by pulling up a new purchase order that we received from our customer Canon Group. You can see I've got purchase order P99654. They've got their ship to address here as 1200 Peachtree Drive. Mindy Martin is placing this order. They want it shipped via UPS ground. Here's the items and the quantities they're looking for, a total dollar amount, and signature authorized by Mindy. So what I'm going to do, I'll have to imagine that I have dual monitors here. So what I'm going to do is go into Business Central, and I'm going to hit the new sales order button to create a new sales order. I'm going to hit enter to assign the next order number. I'm going to type in part of the customer's name to find Canon Group. I'm going to select who is the buyer on this. This was Mindy, so we're going to pick Mindy as the sell to contact. Yes. Do you want to change the bill to contact? No, let's not change that on here. Now I'm going to enter my purchase order number. I see that it's selected their primary ship to address code of 30, which is Main Street, but as you remember, I was shipping to 1200 Peachtree Drive. UPS ground is their default shipping terms. They would like this delivered by the 26th there. So now I'm going to go down to the lines. I'm going to search for the first item they're looking for here, which is this SL Action Clamp 302 hex head. So I'm just going to type in 302. It's a quick way of searching through here. I found that item there. It gives me a warning about a date message here. I'm going to fill in my quantity. Then they want a 304 also. So we're going to select 5 of those as well. So I've got those items on there. I'm going to scroll down 155.65. That matches the total on the purchase order. I'm going to go into attachments here, and I'm actually attach a copy of that purchase order to this order here. So I'm going to find a copy of that PO. I forget where I placed that purchase order. Bear with me for a moment here. I'm going to go find that. I always forget where I put things. So here we go. Took a little longer there to find that PO. I've now got that attached. Next step, I see I have some notifications here. I'm just going to check these notifications. Okay, they have recurring sales lines. Do you want to insert them? No. And just notifying me they do have an overdue balance. So I'm going to close those. I will go back to here. I'll release the order, which changes my status to released. And the final thing I need to do is email an order confirmation to Mindy and team. And so you see here, I've got the body of the email. I've got a copy of the purchase order attached here as a PDF. Here's my order total. And we're going to go back here and go ahead and send that email. And that concludes the sales order entry process.